Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable two-step verification on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and then you should scroll down and click on privacy and security. Here you should click on the two-step verification button, tap on set additional password, and then you should type in your new password that you would like to set up, type it in again, and then you should create an optional hint for your password, but you can skip setting the hint by clicking on this button down below. And then you should you have the chance to add a recovery email to be able to reset your password and restore access to your Telegram account, but this is up to you, so you can skip this step as well by tapping on the skip setting email button down below. Click on skip, and as you can see, your password has been set. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.